And welcome to the Smash News Network least busted name in news. We're coming at you with another meteorology segment, as we do most days. First thing we're looking at are the surface winds of the eastern world. There you have it. We've got some cold winds blowing into southeastern Australia over the Southern Ocean. Those are Antarctican winds showing up there, making for a cold day in western Tasmania as well, most likely. Here is also a powerful low there in between southern New Zealand and Tasmania. Also looking at the jet streams. There are the jet streams of the eastern world. A cold day for southern Australia. Here are the jet streams of the Americas. We've got some more cold air being injected from Canada into the north-central U.S. It's making for some violent weather. We'll get to it. First, the surface winds of this portion of the planet. There is the surface winds of the America. We've got a very strong wind eddy here coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, blowing due north across the central plains. Here are the surface winds of Europe and Africa. And we've got a strong low forming here north of the Azores. There is the jet stream scenario. Very chaotic jet stream in the northern hemisphere, a little more coherent in the south. Let's move on and blast through some more information. Here is the weather.gov map. And what is all that pink? Those are winter storm warnings in most of Minnesota. Yes. Oh wait, severe thunder. Those are severe thunderstorm. That's severe thunderstorm watch with a little bit of flash flood warning there, as well as severe thunderstorm warnings. So yeah, severe weather coming to the north-central U.S. People on smashamash.com would have already known about it. We send email pushes as well. smashamash.com/smashteam. Check out the Caribbean lightning. Yowzers. Major lightning around the Caribbean, Central America, and the northern U.S. Massive pressure gradients forming. Let's see what the real-time lightning map has to show. Yowzers. Iowa getting plastered with serious lightning. Dag. And yes, if you're wondering, lightningmaps.org can forecast thunder, so you can frighten the natives. Lightningmaps.org. Those pesky Germans. They are quite interesting folks. Powered by blitzautung.org. Check it out next time you hear thunder. We've got to press refresh here. It's the water vapor environment over the Pacific Ocean. Since the weather for the Americas largely comes from the Pacific Ocean, we like to show it daily. It's also the world's largest body of water and largest surface heat sink. There's a lot of heat stored in the Pacific Ocean, and it takes thousands of years for oceans to heat up and cool down, apparently. We've got a bunch of dry, massive air here pushing across the southwest U.S., making for clear skies over nearly all of New Mexico and nearly all of Arizona and most of Southern California. Here's our forecast. This is the GFS 72-hour precipitation and pressure forecast. And indeed, it looks like there is some snow in the offing once again. Let's quantify that. Here's your positive snow depth change based on the GFS model over the next 72 hours. And expecting about 10 inches of snow there in portions of Wyoming. It looks like it's going to be snowing into June. What are your thoughts on that? Let us know in the comments. Next, we're going to show a Euro forecast for the next 3 days. There's the next 12 hours of expected new snow. There's the next 24 hours of expected new snow. And there is the next 3 days. Denver. About half of Colorado expecting to be covered. About half of Idaho expecting to be covered. Large portions of Utah, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Montana, and over half of Wyoming expecting additional fresh snow in the next 3 days. Again, that's the European model. Let's move on to invite you to the Smash Team. Again, we send out email pushes. The bronze level is free. The silver level is $2.99 a month, and the gold level is $9.99 a month. We'll have to stop it right there, as that is only for gold and silver silver level Smash Team members. Some flaring has returned to the closest star. You want to hear about it? Join at the silver level. or the gold level, or the gold annual paid up subscription level. Also, don't forget to enter the promo code YourThing to save 20 to 60% site-wide on checkout. Today's featured product is the Galactic Federation Special Forces, and if you've served, we thank you for your service. We hope you're having a delightful and safe weekend as you celebrate Memorial Day, however you see fit. I would say to each of you, Universum Liberate. The key symbolizes signal strength and security. The lightning bolt symbolizes instant galactic scale reach. The spiral represents the galaxy itself. Universum Liberate. Free everybody. SmashAmash.com is representing the Neo-Renaissance. It's a term that we coined, so welcome to it. Click the Smash-O merch link or the Smash Team link to visit the sites that we have advertised today. Thanks everybody who supported us throughout the last 5 years of the best space weather content on the internet. Here's a U.S. Doppler radar map. We'll show all 50 states briefly. And we will fixate on the lower 48 for the remainder of the video. That's what's going on now in terms of vertical motion of water droplets. Here is clouds and fog. At night, it's 3.9 nanometer radiation. And there is the water vapor map. We'll go back and do a recap. And you can see that moisture. Again, there are surface winds that are blasting almost due north over the central part of the country. And it's creating some violent weather, as you can see there. And some Canadian air pushing down, causing additional snowfall in the central U.S. This is your recap. It's about time to close out this video. Thanks for tuning into the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. And may that terrestrial wind be at your back.